Hello, I'm Aiden, your Shopify expert. Welcome to Why 90% of Shopify Stores Fail and How to Be in the 10%. Before we dive in, open your favorite AI chatbot like ChatGPT, Grok, or anything you use. You'll follow along by asking the AI the questions I provide one by one and reading its responses before moving to the next. I've organized all the questions in the description below, so you can simply copy and paste them. The AI's answers might vary slightly, but don't worry, the key point will remain the same. This interactive process will help you learn proven strategies to boost your Shopify store's survival rate. Ready? Let's get started! First question, what is the failure rate of Shopify stores? Pause the video to read the AI's response, then resume playing it when you're ready. Shocking, right? Most people start their store dreaming of success, but this is the reality. Keep that failure rate in mind and let's move to the next question. Second question, what are the main reasons most Shopify stores fail? If you're already thinking of solutions, great. If not, don't worry. By the end of this course, you'll have a clear path to improve your store's chances. Third question, so what are all the key KPIs a Shopify store needs to track to succeed? That's a lot, isn't it? Some of you might know these terms, but others might feel overwhelmed. No stress, let's keep going to make sense of it all. Fourth question, what benchmarks should these KPIs meet to ensure success? At this point, you might be thinking, how do I manage all these KPIs? It's a valid concern. Let's narrow it down to the essentials. Fifth question, that's too many. Can you pick the most critical KPIs directly tied to survival? Still feeling a bit lost on how to achieve these? That's okay, just note these are important for now, and let's move forward. Sixth question, if I just increase my ad spend, will my store's revenue grow? What did your AI say? I bet it mentioned that simply spending more isn't the answer. Exactly. Smart, efficient strategies are what matter. Seventh question, not all marketing works. So what problems arise if the timing of marketing spend and expected revenue don't align? This is why healthy cash flow is critical. Hang in there, we're almost at the solution. Feeling overwhelmed by all this? Don't worry, this course is here to lighten that load. Eighth question, I've created 3 principles for healthy cash flow. Can you check if they are directly related to key KPIs? 1. Synchronize marketing spend timing with expected revenue and store growth pace. 2. Limit marketing costs to a specific percentage of revenue while protecting product margins. 3. Uphold social responsibility to enhance customer trust and favorability. Pretty reassuring, right? Instead of juggling countless KPIs, just follow these 3 principles, and success follows naturally. Ready for the final question? Ninth question. If these 3 principles are successfully implemented, how will my Shopify store's survival rate change? What did the AI say? Most likely it predicted a big jump in survival rate. But the real question is, how do you actually put these principles into practice? That's where our app, JoysLink, comes in. It helps you easily stick to the 3 principles by automating marketing spend synchronization, capping costs to protect product margins, and offering an innovative donation point system. In the next video, I'll walk you through how to use it with real-world examples.